I've just received my new random access memory. Hopefully, it's quite good. It replaces my old memory. So let's have a look. This should put it to 4 GB, but I don't think Windows will. But I didn't do it for the upgrading memory. I did it for the speed. This one's at 800, and my current memory doesn't. I think it's quite a bit slower. So I'm just going to remove some of my current memory. Just removed this RAM. It's Hynix. Yeah. Don't think that's particularly brilliant, mate. This stuff you can put the voltage up to. It said 2.3 on the site, but 2.1 is the recommended voltage, and this stuff I've got here runs at 1.8. So hopefully, there's my graphics card, 8800 GTS. So that's installed now. So I've got 4 GB RAM. So they'll build the computer back up and see how it runs. And that'll be it from this video. I've just started the computer back up, and Windows is recognising 3.25 GB with 4 GB RAM. So unfortunately, if I want to use all of that, I'll have to get Vista, but I'm not sure if the increase from DirectX 9 to DirectX 10 is worth it, as in the fact that the frame rate might drop drastically. So if anyone could make any comments and let me know whether Vista is worth it or not. So I'm wondering whether to go with it or not.